Hey, what's up guys, Matt here. Today I'll be going through the Gemini Jets February 2018 new releases. We're on Gemini Jets' website here, and we head to the new releases section. And we're going to start with 1 to 400 scale. First up is the Alaska Airlines Embraer 175, registration numbers N182SY. Very good looking aircraft, I like that new livery. American Airlines A319 with sharklets N8027D. China Southern Saab 340B, registration number is B3651. Interjet A321 with sharklets, registration number is XAGEO. Pretty good looking aircraft. Qatar Airways Cargo 747-8 freighter. Of course, these are brand new aircraft for Qatar Airways, and I must say it looks pretty good in this livery. And we all knew it looked pretty good considering the Qatar VIP 747-8 intercontinentals that are in use for the government of Qatar. United Airlines 747-400, and that Qatar Airways registration number is A7BGB, and the registration for this United aircraft is N121UA, and it is in the 747 Friendship livery, which is also the last sort of the memorial type livery which they used at the end of the service. And last 1400 model is the Gemini Max, United States Air Force KC-135R Stratotanker. Registration number is 3516 and is the Arizona Air National Guard. And of course that's the flag of Arizona on the tail. And now 1 to 200 scale we have the Aero California DC9-14. Registration number is XARNQ. Pretty good looking aircraft. Air Canada A330-300 and their new livery CGFAF, registration number. I'll probably get this model. It looks pretty decent, and the new livery. American Airlines 737 MAX 8, registration number is N324RA. Very good looking aircraft, this one, but I don't think I'll get this one. American Airlines again 737-800 this time in the Reno Air Retro livery. It's a pretty cool and unique looking livery there. Definite must get for me. British Airways Concorde GBOAC on the American Airlines registration. Again, I've forgotten another one. I've forgotten to read out another one. N916NN. This is the Landor scheme of this British, so this is their former livery, of course. I have a couple of plastic models, I think 1/250th scale, which I've had since the late 90s, given to me by some friends who work for British Airways in London, and it's a pretty cool looking model. I cannot wait to have it in die cast. 1 to 200 scale. Qatar Airlines Embraer 190, pretty weird looking registration, HP1540CMP, but it looks pretty cool. Qantas Link 747 Q400 VHQOU, nice looking aircraft there. Silver Airways Saab 340B N344AG. That looks very nice. And last 1 to 200 and last model in this release is the United States Air Force KC-135R Stratotanker. Registration number is 23508 and it is in the New Jersey Air National Guard Tiger livery. And that looks very cool. I want to get one of these. I would prefer one that's entirely in just the military grey scheme, because of the fact that I've seen a couple of these, one in Honolulu in 2016 and one at the Royal New Zealand Air Force Air Tattoo in 2017. So I really like to get one of these. But this is going to be it for this model release. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Just to recap, I will probably be getting the Air Canada A330. It's almost a given, and I'm definitely not passing up on the British Airways Concorde in the Landor colours, because that would basically almost complete the my Concorde collection in terms of the only carriers that actually had it. The two main carriers. There's a slightly different Air France scheme at some point, but I pretty much have them all now, so I'm pretty happy with this Concorde release. Even if this was the only one I'm getting from this release, this would be a perfect release for me. And yeah, so nothing else really takes my fancy too much, so those are really the only two models I'll be getting. Let me know in the comments which ones you're going to get, what you thought of this release. Please like this video if you did enjoy it as well. Subscribe for more, plenty more on the way. Sorry about I've had a long break. Some of you may know I did go away. And I've also been preparing my music video, which is now out my 10,000 subscriber video, and sort of just getting back into things. Got some special videos on the way, some newer type of videos, which some of you may enjoy. So those are in the works, and I'm not going to release any details about what they are at this point, but I'm just trying to get through it all and just get everything prepared, and hopefully it'll be out soon. Anyway guys, I hope you did enjoy this video, and I'll see you next time.